Hello students, welcome back in HTML class. Today my topic is formatting in HTML. Students, this is HTML program and this is output of this program. This screen is screen of Notepad and this screen is screen of Google Chrome web browser. Now you can see output. DAV code is written in body section and so in browser body area you can see output DAV code. My topic is formatting. Formatting means making your document more appealing, more attractive. So I want to use bold B tag of HTML. Okay. Now you can see output DAV Kuti is in bold font style. Okay. If you write here DAV Kuti in body section, then your output is in normal. Okay, you can see. I want to change the line BR. You can see output DAV Kuti is this DAV Kuti is normal font style and this DAV Kuti is bold font style. Because this DAV Kuti is written in body area and this DAV Kuti is also written in body area, but I have used B tag for making it bold. Now I want to use I tag. I means italic. You can see output DAV Kuti. This DAV Kuti is in italic font style. Okay. Now I want to change the line. So DAV Kuti in italic font style. Okay. Now and I want to use U. U means underline. Save this program and run this program. You can see this DAV Kuti in underline. Okay. Use BR for changing the line. Okay. Now I want to repeat it. DAV Kuti. This DAV Kuti is written in body area. This is BR tag. BR tag is used to change the line. And now DAV Kuti. This DAV Kuti is written in B tag, and B tag is used to make font bold, and BR changing the line, and I italic. I tag is used to make it make font style italic, and BR is used to changing the line. U means underline. It will make your word or line underline. Okay. Now I want to use one more tag, that is strong. Okay. See, strong. Let's right here BR. Okay. You can see this bold, this B tag and this strong tag is same, because a strong tag is also used to make your font or line bold. Okay. Now I want to make a line HR. You can see HR. HR means horizontal rule. Okay. HR tag is used to draw a horizontal line in web browser. Okay. But this is not visible clear, because without attribute it is not visible. So in HR I want to use size. Okay, size. See this size. Now I want to use width. Width is equal to 6. You can see this line is very small in size, so I want to give it percentage. Okay, so first I want to give example of size attribute. Okay, now I want to use change 8. You can see thickness. You can see we can change the thickness of HR, a horizontal rule line, by using size attribute. Okay, color red. Okay, you can see color is red. Now I want to use it in different color, green and blue. Okay, you can see HR tag is used to draw a horizontal line in web browser, and size attribute is used to set the thickness of line, and color attribute is used to change the color of line. Okay, width means you want to set the width. By default it is in 100%. If you want to change it in 60%, you can see the output. Okay, if you want to align it, align left, then you can see this first line is aligned in left. For aligning your horizontal rule, you have to make your line, you have to set your width in 50% or 60%, so that you can clear see it. Because if you draw a line by using HR tag, by default it expanded in 100% area, so you cannot see the alignment of line. If you make it small, you if you make width 60%, 50%, then you will able to see your line in center alignment. So there is question, by default alignment of line by using HR tag is center. Okay, and if you want to align your line in left side, use align attribute. Okay, if you want to use right, then you can see this alignment is in right. I want to make it in full screen, you can see. Okay, if you do not assign here, then you can see your line is in center line. Okay, this is HR tag, and this is attribute of HR tag. Size, it is used to set thickness of line. Color attribute is used to changing the color of line, and width is used to set the width of line. Okay, now I have used 60%, 50%, 60%, and again I want to use 50%. You can see. Okay, again I want to use 40%. Okay, save this file and okay, and I told you about